Today's video is on the top 5 best budget action cameras in 2026. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether you're focused on price, performance, durability, or a specific use case, we've got you covered. For more information on the products featured in this video, I've included links in the description box down below. These links are updated regularly to make sure you get the best available prices. If this video helps you out, be sure to like the video, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Number 1. Akaso Brave 4 Pro. The best budget action camera of 2026 is the Akaso Brave 4 Pro. This feature-packed camera delivers a GoPro-like experience at a fraction of the cost. It supports 4K video at 30 FPS, Full HD at 120 FPS, slow motion, burst shooting, and upgraded electronic image stabilization 2.0. The Brave 4 Pro includes a dual-screen design with a front LCD screen for easy framing and a rear touchscreen for full control. It can shoot photos up to 20 megapixels and offers multiple viewing angles, including wide, medium, and narrow modes. Wi-Fi connectivity allows remote control via the Akaso app, and image quality is impressive with punchy colors and solid detail. Video stabilization is noticeably improved over previous versions, delivering smoother footage even during movement. Considering the price-to-performance ratio, the Brave 4 Pro stands out. 2. Akaso EK7000 Pro. The Akaso EK7000 Pro, the runner-up budget action camera of 2026, designed for adrenaline junkies who enjoy surfing, biking, skiing, and other high-energy activities. This camera supports 4K recording at 25 FPS, 2.7K at 30 FPS, and 1080p at 60 FPS, delivering sharp and vibrant footage. It features a 170-degree viewing angle, built-in Wi-Fi, and compatibility with GoPro mounts. The EK7000 Pro includes multiple shooting modes, such as single shot, burst mode, and time-lapse. It is waterproof up to 30 meters and built to handle tough environments. Each 1050 mAh battery provides around 90 minutes of recording time. Wireless control via Wi-Fi allows users to operate the camera from smartphones or tablets within a 15-meter range. Accessories and replacement parts are widely available, making this a highly practical choice. Overall, the EK7000 Pro delivers impressive performance at an affordable price. Number 3. Akaso Brave 7 LE. If you're willing to spend a little more for added features, we recommend the Akaso Brave 7 LE, often considered the best premium budget action camera of 2026. This model supports 4K video recording, includes a front-facing screen, and comes bundled with a wide range of accessories. The build quality feels solid and refined, offering a premium hand feel that sets it apart from many typical budget action cameras. The Brave 7 LE is slightly smaller than the GoPro Hero 8 Black and noticeably more compact than the Hero 9. The 2-inch rear touchscreen is responsive and easy to use, with brightness levels that remain visible even in direct sunlight, which is rare for cameras in this price range. A major highlight is the front display, which makes framing selfies and vlogs much easier. When the front screen is activated, the rear screen turns off to conserve battery. While the front screen is not touch-enabled, it serves its purpose well. Video quality is excellent at 4K 30 FPS, with natural colors, detailed textures, and good sharpness. Digital image stabilization provides smooth footage, and users can adjust recording quality levels directly through the menu. Sound quality from the internal microphone is decent, and when noise reduction is available via the settings menu. Overall, the Akaso Brave 7 LE delivers premium features at a budget-friendly price, making it a strong contender in 2026. Number 4. Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera. If you're looking for a product that offers excellent value for your investment, we strongly recommend the Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera, widely regarded as one of the best budget action cameras of 2026 and an outstanding alternative to GoPro. This camera delivers 16 megapixel photos and supports 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second. It features a 170-degree wide-angle lens, advanced image stabilization, and a durable waterproof design. A wireless wrist remote is included, adding extra convenience during outdoor activities. Among the many action cameras available today, models like the Campark ACT-7 IV and Dragon Touch 4K stand out as strong GoPro alternatives. The Dragon Touch 4K in particular shines thanks to features such as slow motion, time-lapse, driving mode, and built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Despite its low price, the Dragon Touch delivers impressive image quality with photo resolutions up to 16 megapixels and video recording at 1080p 60 fps and 4K 30 fps. The design resembles classic GoPro-style cameras, featuring a clear protective housing, large buttons, and a 2-inch touchscreen for easy navigation. The camera is water-resistant and can withstand depths of up to 30 meters when used with the waterproof case, making it perfect for water sports and underwater exploration. One of the biggest advantages of the Dragon Touch 4K is its generous accessory kit. It includes 2 batteries, bike mounts, helmet mounts, and various other attachments. Considering the price, it's impressive how many features and accessories are packed into this small device. While battery life isn't as long as some premium models, this limitation is common for most action cameras in this category. Overall, the Dragon Touch 4K offers outstanding value, durability, and performance, making it a fantastic budget-friendly choice in 2026. Number 5. SJCam SJ4000. For those looking to save some cash, the SJCam SJ4000 is a fantastic option in 2026 and easily stands out as the best ultra-cheap action camera on the market. It remains one of the company's most popular models due to its feature-rich design, often outperforming many big brand alternatives in the same price range. The SJ4000 is capable of recording video at 1080p at 30 frames per second and can capture high-quality photos despite its compact size. When paired with its included waterproof case, the camera is water-resistant up to 30 meters, making it suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and other water activities. One of the reasons the SJ4000 remains so popular is its incredible versatility. The camera comes bundled with a wide range of accessories and mounts, allowing it to be used on helmets, bikes, tripods, and more. Its lightweight and compact design make it perfect for travel, especially for users who want an action camera without carrying bulky gear. The SJ4000 is available in 7 different colors, allowing users to choose a design that matches their personal style. While it's not meant to compete with high-end DSLR cameras or premium camcorders, the SJ4000 delivers impressive video quality for its budget-friendly price. It features a 2.99mm f2.8 wide-angle lens, providing a broad field of view ideal for action shots and scenic footage. The camera supports multiple recording modes and resolutions, allowing users to customize their shooting experience. Video quality can vary depending on monitor calibration, codecs, and the video player used, so for the best playback experience, we recommend using Apple QuickTime Player or VLC Media Player. One standout feature of the SJ4000 is its time-lapse video function. By setting the interval to 3, 5, 10, 30, or even 1 minute, the camera captures frames at regular intervals to create cinematic time-lapse footage. For example, with a 10-second interval, the camera captures 1 frame every 10 seconds. After 1 hour of continuous shooting, you can generate approximately 12 seconds of smooth time-lapse video at 30 frames per second. In addition to time-lapse, the camera offers multiple color modes, including standard color, sepia, and black and white. White balance adjustments allow users to fine-tune shots with warmer or cooler tones depending on lighting conditions. Photo performance is also respectable for a camera in this price range. The wide-angle lens enables panoramic shots, making it easy to capture landscapes and group photos. Thanks to its compact size and lightweight construction, the SJ4000 is an excellent travel companion. The included waterproof case allows recording at depths of up to 30 meters, and the camera also features a dedicated underwater mode that improves color accuracy when shooting beneath the surface. Another notable feature is the built-in microphone.
The SJ4000 is fully compatible with Skype and other communication software, allowing you to chat using the internal microphone without the need for an external mic. Battery life is surprisingly good, offering around 100 minutes of recording at 1080p 30 fps with Wi-Fi turned off. With Wi-Fi enabled, battery life is reduced slightly, but the feature allows remote control via Android or iOS devices within a range of 10 to 20 meters, which is incredibly convenient. Overall, if you're looking for an ultra-affordable action camera that delivers strong value for money, the SJ4000 is a solid choice in 2026. So that's it for the top 5 best budget action cameras of 2026. Each of these models offers excellent value depending on your needs and budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.